Our mission is simple: to design spaces that empower you to thrive. From floor plans to interior design and decor, every detail we create is rooted in the belief that great design doesn't just look beautiful, it transforms the way you live. Hi, I'm Poonam Patel, founder of Urban Loop Studio. Welcome to our world of wellness-focused design. At Urban Loop Studio, we believe your home is more than just a place to live. It's a reflection of your lifestyle, your beliefs, and your dreams. As someone who's always been passionate about making spaces work for me functionally, emotionally, and aesthetically, I understand how deeply your surroundings impact your well-being. That's why I founded the Urban Loop Studio, to help you create spaces that not only function effortlessly, but also inspire joy, peace, and connection. At Urban Loop Studio, we don't just design spaces, we create experiences that enrich your life. Whether you're building your dream home or transforming your current one, we're here to guide you every step of the way. Ready to start your journey? Let's create something extraordinary together. Get in touch with us today for your complimentary consultation. We'll see you soon.